Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. We are back again with a little weekend edition of quick and easy makeup. I was gonna call this like quick and easy COVID makeup, but you get the gist. This is where I'm just slapping on a couple things, doing a quick and easy eye, but just wanting to feel kind of put together for the day. And I pulled out some of the recommendations that I had used from Sephora. Some people had asked, I had not used this guy on camera. Or it'd been a long time ago. This is the YSL TOUCHE ECLAT all-in-one glow. I went through and picked out a few other things that I had been talking about the other day so that you could see them in action. But anyways, this is just gonna be a really quick and easy kind of chatty get ready with me. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this easy look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay. We are going to use some of my Sephora recommendations from the previous day on my face today. And this oldie but goodie, this is the TOUCHE ECLAT all-in-one glow, and this is in B30. Yes, I can't read. And I'm going to put this on. I had several people ask me if I would put it on camera, and absolutely. So I'm actually going to take 2 pumps, and the way I like to do this is to just actually kind of rub it on my skin. I have just regular skincare as well as my SPF as the last step, and then I just like to go like this and just kind of use it as a little moisturizer. I forgot how much I like this guy. It has kind of a moussey texture. Now it does have that kind of YSL kind of cucumber scent in it. And so far I have not had issues with that particular fragrance. I'm gonna bring this down here. And then it is just going to be kind of nice and hydrating to the skin, and it kind of dries down really nicely. So it kind of takes a minute to fully dry down. But the thing I like about this guy is that it is a glowy foundation, like a healthy looking one, but it is not overly dewy. So I kind of like that fine line between having a nice glow, but sometimes when they're too dewy, I just don't love that look that much. I think it looks great on others, but just a personal preference. Okay, so now that we have this on, really quick and easy, then I'm gonna take my DIOR Forever Skin Correct, which I really do like, you guys. And I did pick up the Giorgio Armani in my cart, so we'll be trying that one out. And thank you guys for your help with picking out colors. Sorry, SATCHMO is playing with a box over there. Maybe she'll come and say hello to us. Just gonna take a little bit of this underneath the eyes, and then clearly if you want you can use this all over your face, but I really have been enjoying this. Okay guys, she wants to say hello to you. She has just not known what to do during this COVID. What do you have in your mouth? Okay, she is just not sure what to do with having us all around. Okay, then I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And you guys, I have been using this a ton lately, and I just like to go and put it kind of anywhere that I want to. Oftentimes I'll mix it in my foundation for kind of an all over pretty glow, but for today we're just gonna kind of put it at the high points of the face, just a little bit. Okay, 2 things that I did not talk about in my Sephora, but just since it's the weekend, easy eye makeup that I like to do is just using some sort of cream stick shadows. And in my attempt to clean up my makeup, I was pulling out a couple of my favorite Laura Mercier CAVIAR sticks. My favorite happens to be Amethyst. So I like to put this all over the lid. And then I have Cocoa that you can kind of use as a liner. Quick, easy eye on the weekend. So I just like to take my stick and just put the Amethyst all over the lid. Now these are less creamy than the By Terry. I love the By Terry myself, but they're so soft. Whereas these are a little bit firmer and a little bit easier to manipulate if you're wanting something more precise. So I will just put a little bit of a base color like that. Then I'm using my ROEN Everything Eye Brush. This is one of my most used eye brushes. I really enjoy this. It's kind of firm, but it's great for cream products. And then it has that other little great liner. So I'll take this. We're just like, this is 2-minute eye. Then I'm gonna run a little bit of this Amethyst kind of in the waterline or just close underneath the lash line. You can actually use these as eyeliners and these stay all day long. Okay, then I will go in with Cocoa, and this is just like a really deep chocolatey brown. And then I just do a little bit of a thicker, I just like to define my eyes a little bit. So a little bit of a thicker line, and then we're gonna smudge it out. But you'll see it kind of makes your eyes pop. I'll go in with that ROEN real quick. And this is weekend makeup. Nothing has to be super precise. And I'll just softly smudge that out. Take whatever's left on this brush and then go a little bit underneath the lash line. Okay, really quick little 2-minute eye. Then I am going to just take, I'm going to be using this bronzer today. This is the Charlotte Tilbury FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow. I like to just take a little bit of the bronzer, the contour on my brush, and then I'll just come in here and we'll do a little bit in the crease. Then I go in with the highlighter, and then I'm just gonna go a little, then I'll just go a little bit in the brow bone with this highlighter. Now I'm gonna clean up my brows, put on some mascara, and then we'll finish off the face really quick. Quick, easy eye on. And I did use that Limitless Lash mascara from ILIA, as well as my DIOR styler. And I was able to pick up that Tom Ford fiber gel that you guys told me I need to get at the Sephora sale. So we will, I didn't have a huge amount of things that I purchased, but a few kind of staple things and a couple fun things as well. So we'll do a video on that. Then I am going to use this guy for bronzer contour today. I have been using this a lot more. Now I do have one funny story. So I am attempting to organize everything, all my makeup and stuff, and the Alex drawer that I love from IKEA is not available to be shipped. So I ordered a cabinet from Target, and I'm pretty good at building things, I do have to say, but oh my goodness, this was a little bit messed up. The panels were upside down. I had to get a power tool out. It was just funny. Normally I would return it to Target, but it came in such a big box that I was just like, we're gonna make this work. So anyways, my arm is sore from like twisting with the screwdriver. It is still not completed, but I will show you once I accomplish that cabinet but oh my goodness, that has been a huge project. Okay, I am going to use the WESTMAN Atelier. This is the new Peau de Rose. I'm going to use this as blush today. And yes, sorry, this one isn't a Sephora, but it is so pretty that I've been using this as blush. And we're just going to kind of put this on really quickly for the weekend edition. So yes, my organization has been stalled a little bit, waiting for deliveries of the cabinet, moving things around, the base completed, then realizing everything was upside down. It was kind of a mess. So you guys, this is so pretty. I really love this little Peau de Rose. It's just gonna sink into my skin, give me a little bit of a glow going on. Then I'm quickly for powder, I'm just gonna use my Hourglass Ambient. I'm just gonna run this down and we'll set everything here. And then I generally just pop on a little lip gloss. I pulled out my fancy Tom Ford, but I love this color in Impulse. Just kind of a pretty glossy pink. And we will put a little gloss on. And then we're gonna call this the weekend edition of makeup. Full face, really easy and quick. And now I'm gonna get back to making my drawers. So wish me luck. And just wanted to show you how this guy looks on the skin. So easy to wear. It's gonna look better throughout the day. It's not overly glowy, but it does give you kind of that healthy, kind of hydrated skin throughout the day. So this is this guy. So you guys, I hope that you are having a fabulous weekend. I hope you are staying inside or going out and getting a little fresh air, but staying inside for the most part, staying healthy and staying sane. I will be back with another video soon, and thank you so much for all your support and love.